sucks because I have to leave before judging, but look at all the cars. There's hellified cars. That's my car, it's dirty. I don't give a fuck though. But look at that. I'm in the front of the lineup. It's pretty cool. This thing is sick. God, I need an upgrade. Oh, so beautiful. Just had a vetgasm. Hi, I'm Ted. Rims. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. You just gotta stop and admire the beauty of a Corvette. Beautiful. So sick. I should have washed my car, but I had no idea they even had a car show today. It doesn't matter because I have to leave to go to work on my birthday before the judging, which is at 5:30, and I have to be at work at 5. But it's part of growing up, I guess. That's my bad. Those rims are awesome. Look at that. What you doing, boy?
I'm gonna commentary all these vehicles as you walk around them.
Well, this is way nicer than my car. The blacked out tail, European tail lights.
Yeah, we're going to.
Look at this dude. He's like got a cool car.
Oh, dude, whoever owns this vet needs to take this out of the car, bro. Dude, this vet right here.
I didn't even wash it.
know.
I just wanted to park it without those. It's so dirty. Look how bad. It's so dirty.
The icon of what bags drove in the 90s.
Your mom. Your mom drove this in the 90s.
Fuck.
It's so dirty though. It really is. Okay, we gotta go over here. Commentary these cars.
No, it's nice. It's clean.
Got enemies, got a lot of enemies, got a lot of people trying to drain me of this energy, trying to take away from it. With a kid and pray for you. I got girls, she the female version of me. I got strippers in my life, but they virgins to me. We gon' see. I got money in the course of law, my free. About to call your ass a Uber, I got somewhere to be. I hear fairy tales about how they gon' run up on me. Gon' run up when you see me, then we gon' see.
Look at this truck. And this bike. It's got hydraulics and shit. Chop Shop, Las Vegas, Illinois.
Drop it, Wilmot.
Slam. That's what's up. Tight. Those seats are tight too. Rims are tight. I don't even like white rims. They're just tight. Black carbon fiber looking shit. Buddy. I just waxed it, so. Wow, that's cool. Yeah, maybe I should like clean my car one time and like put it up here.
Yeah.
Or whatever.
These Mazdas are nasty.
Why did you take the steering wheel off? Damn, look at those rims. Spikes. Dude, you better have my wheel lock for my Integra.
Yeah,
when do you think my car will be fixed?
A couple days.
Couple days. That's cool. I like the little shifty knob things, but I don't really even care about that stuff. Everybody takes their wheel off. What is this? Subaru?
Dude, that lipstick, dude. See that?
Yeah. STL Mazda Speed.
Yeah, that's dope. It's a
That's
far
tight.
step from my Chevelle, isn't it?
Dude, I got the munchies. I want like a corn dog and a pretzel. What is this?
71 split bumper Camaro. 383
Yeah.
small block.
That's nice.
Yeah, it is. Got a hellacious cam. Dude, where's that green 72 Chevelle? Dude? I didn't even see that.
Wow, look at the motor. It's a 392. Nice. Rims. It's slammed. No. Nice Mustang. Monster.
GoPro footage though.
Yeah.